Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to System and choose Reset Phone, and then erase all data. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which includes things like music, photos, and user data. Now, if you see anything from the list that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already done the copy or you just don't want to, select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. And then you can choose Erase All Data, and this should, there we go, begin factory resetting your phone. Now this process will take about a minute or two to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.